Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change spark plugs on a VW GTI. First, gather your tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and the correct new spark plugs. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent damage. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work. Next, you'll need to access the spark plugs. Begin by carefully removing the engine cover, which usually just pulls off. Then, locate the 4 coil packs. Disconnect the electrical connector from each one by pressing the tab and pulling. After that, gently pull each coil pack straight up and out to reveal the spark plugs underneath. Now it's time for the actual replacement. Using a 5/8-inch spark plug socket with an extension, carefully loosen and remove each old spark plug. Take a moment to inspect them for any unusual wear. Then, gently thread the new spark plugs into place by hand to avoid cross-threading. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten them to approximately 22 foot-pounds. To finish up, carefully push each coil pack firmly back onto its spark plug until it clicks into place. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to the coil packs, ensuring they are secure. Finally, reattach the engine cover and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your GTI to confirm everything is running smoothly and enjoy your fresh spark plugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.